Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The passenger compartment fuse box number 1 in the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009 houses fuses for essential interior electrical systems, including lighting, audio, and power accessories. It protects circuits from overloads and ensures the reliable operation of cabin electronics. Accessing it allows quick replacement of blown fuses to restore functionality. The passenger compartment fuse box number 2 in the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009 manages additional interior and convenience circuits, such as power windows, mirrors, and climate control functions. The relay box controls high current circuits for components like the fuel pump, headlights, and cooling fans. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009 houses fuses and relays for critical engine and safety systems, including the ignition, fuel injection, and cooling fans. It protects these high-current circuits from overloads and ensures the reliable operation of the vehicle's essential functions. The engine compartment additional fuse box number 1 in the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009 protects supplementary circuits like ABS, fog lights, and engine accessories. The engine compartment additional fuse box number 2 in the Toyota Avensis 2003 to 2009 safeguards extra circuits such as auxiliary power and engine control components. The engine compartment relay box controls high current systems like the fuel pump, headlights, and cooling fans. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.